Hey everyone, James Wilson with ICS Collision Center, and I want to welcome you to our YouTube channel. So here at ICS Collision Center, we are focused on safe and proper repairs for each and every one of our clients. So as vehicle safety professionals, we have a moral and a legal obligation to ensure that our clients arrive home safely because our vehicle repairs were performed properly, responsibly, and ethically. So what we're working on over here today is it's a 62 Thunderbird. Our client brought it to us, body was all together. He went ahead and removed the motor, transmission, most of the driveline out of it. And where we're at in the process right now is that we've taken all the parts off. We've had it media stripped back down to bare metal, and we have it epoxied right now. Moving forward in this process, what we're going to be doing is, once we've identified all the damaged areas, we'll be replacing those parts with new sheet metal, re-epoxying it, doing our body work, and then getting it back together for the priming, the blocking, making sure all of our lines and gaps are correct to our tolerances that are required for the vehicle. What we have here is a 69 Mustang Shelby. This vehicle has been in the owner's family for the past 30 years, and the owner has done a lot of work himself already. He's already taken care of his floor pans. He's got a big block under the hood here, 4-speed manual transmission, and so it's a running driving car, brought it to us. We're doing all of our priming, our blocking, getting it all fitted. We're gonna blow it back apart, finish all that process, and then we'll be getting it painted. So stay tuned to watch this one go through our process here. What we have here today is a 2009 Lamborghini Murcielago. And as you can see, this old girl's in pretty rough shape, seen better days. However, the gentleman from out of state, he's about 1,600 miles away from here, found us via Google, online, saw our reviews, saw the types of vehicles that we're working on, and knew that he wanted to send it here. So after about a year, he got it up here, and we are just beginning the process on this. So we're gonna be doing some carbon fiber repairs, other metal repairs, then we'll be blowing it apart and stripping it down and painting this vehicle complete, returning it to its original pristine white condition. So stay tuned to watch us do this process on this Lamborghini. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.